Yeah. See, now people like to talk, I don't really like to hear them. See these dudes snaking, that's why I don't get near them. This rapper's in my blood, I don't even need a serum. Hometown kids, so you hear the city cheering. Lately I've been going off, think I'm killing now, man, just wait till this my job. I'm tryna PC sauce, I mean every word I'm saying. They don't even care, they want me rhyming off the top. Yeah. Still been going in, been doing this since 2K, was rhyming in the whip. Listening to Under Pressure, then I got good kids. Since a child with the braces, always knew that I could spit. Now I'm going over heads, they spending bread at these bars. I made these bars to get my bread, don't care what no one says. Y'all are such a mess, they want me